Hey guys, during rest here, I just wanted to show you this. I just sold this stiletto hammerhead on eBay for 50 bucks, and it's a nice one. So I'm gonna be kind of sad to let this one go, but I'm sure somebody will make good use of it. 28 ounce straight claw hammer, probably for construction, framing. It's got a worn out milled face, 1 3/8. The hammer is 6.5 inches across. Just a pretty hammer. I love the logo on it. Stiletto, made in USA. It's a beauty. See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.